Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, as you know, we are doing place value chapter. So first we are revisiting the previous topic. Write the numbers in Indian place value system. Okay, this number is given 1,04,58,000. You have to write it in numbers. Now it is given in words. Okay, so suppose this is your statement. Okay, so how you will find? First you will see the first place, 1 crore. This is the largest place. So from starting crore you will write all the places till once. In this way your sum will never be wrong. Okay, so start from crore, 10 lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Now again read your statement 1 crore. So under crore 1. Okay, 1 crore means 1 crore. Then 4 lakh. It means 10 lakh is missing in this. Only 4 lakh is given. So 10 lakh is 0 and lakh is 4. Then 58,000. So 58,000 means 5 is 10,000 and 8 is 1,000. Then no 100, no tens, no ones. So all three places are 0. So in this way, which number we get? 10458,000. Now you will put the commas. You know, first three numbers, first 3 digits, then comma, then 2 digits, then comma. Okay, so now this number is 1,04,58,000. Clear to all? So I am taking one more example for more understanding. So next is 6 crore 6 lakh. So highest place is 6 crore. Okay, so we will start from crore. So crore, 10 lakh, 10,000, 1,000, it's not L, it's T. Sorry. So 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Okay, so first is 6 crore. So under crore we will write 6. Then is 6 lakh. Again it is only 6 lakh, not any tens lakh is given. So 10 lakh is 0, 6 lakh. Now nothing is written next. So it means next all places are 0. Okay. Don't forget to write 0 in next places. So your number will be 6 crore 6 lakh. That's it. Now you will put commas. First 3 digits, then 2 digits, then 2 digits, then as many are left. Okay. So this is the way to write the numbers. Okay. Next type is write the period and the place value of each colored digit. In your statement, one digit is given colored. Okay, you have to write its period and you have to write its place value. Okay, so this is your statement. So first you will write the places on every number. Okay, you can write it in first step only. I write so many steps for understanding so that you can easily understand that this is the statement and this is next step. You can write here only. Okay, so write down the places starting from ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now which is our colored digit? 6. So 6, which it is on which place? 100 place. So its place value is 600. They are asking place value, not only place. Okay, so place value is 600. Number with place is called place value. Number with its place. So 600. You can write in numbers also or you can write in words also. Now next question is you have to write period also. Now you know periods. Okay, first 3 digit come under ones period. Next 2 digits come under thousand period. Next 2 digits come under lakh period. So 6 is coming under ones period. So its period is 1 and place value is 600. Similarly, I am taking second example. Okay, in this 1 is colored. You can see. Okay. First step is to write the places on the digits. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 1 is 10 lakh. So its place value is 10 lakh or in words 10 lakh. Now it comes under which period? So it comes under lakh period. Periods no need to write like this. This is just for understanding. It should be in your mind that first 3 digits come under ones place, ones period, sorry. Next 2 digits come under thousand place. Next 2 digits come under lakh period, and next 2 digits, if they are given, then next 2 digits come under crore period. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. Next type is write the expanded form of each number. This sum you have done many times in your lower classes. Okay, this is your number. So in next step, first you will write the places. In this whole chapter, places are very important. Okay, so write down the places: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So the biggest place is 10 lakh. So 3 is on 10 lakh. So we will write in places and we will add all these. When we will add all these, again we will get our number. This is called expanded form. We will expand it. Okay, so 30 lakh plus next is 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Next is 20,000, 20,000. Next is 4,000, 4,000. Next is 0, 100. 5 is on tens place, 10. Okay, then 6 is on ones place, so 1. Okay, in this way you will write the expanded form. Now this you have already done in previous session. Okay, so this time I am giving you homework based on this and this. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Thank you.